Guys, this is Joyce, and I am back with the continuation of the Tonic kit haul that I had from last week. I showed one of the kits. I actually bought 3, and then I also have some items from Tailored Expressions that I would love to share with you. So I'm going to start with the next box in my kits. Yeah, guys, it was such a great sale because the kits were running, like I said, between 20. There were a couple that were 11, but the ones I got were $12.99 and $13.99, I think, and I only had one $13.99 one. And I love kits. Lord knows I got enough of them and I don't use them, but they come with everything. And the reason I got the ones that I did, because some of them, not like I needed markers, actually had markers in there, kind of like the Copic markers, but the Nuvo. So, and then they all have dies, and it, you know, my daughter just said, Mama, do whatever, because it's not like I need it, but I love it, so this is what I do. And so first I'm going to tell you what the name of this one is. I will be using this one soon. This one is called Terrific Treats, and it is actually a treat box, and I can't wait. And it just shows you here all of the papers in it and all the different things that are in it. They've got markers, they've got sequins, they've got embossing powder, mica mist, gilding flakes, and I can't wait. And different papers. The colors are black and gold. It's number 58, and it's called Terrific Treat Box. So, and this is just a little kind of instruction, and it just tells you some more about it. And they've got videos, so I'm definitely going to be checking that out. And then this is the die kit, and it's just the thing for the treat box, so I really cannot wait to use that. I've not looked at the instructions. It also has some stamps, and it's a Christmas kit, so that's a good thing. I can use this for our next Christmas all year round. And then they have these dual dot markers, and these are metallics, and they have, oh, let's see what the colors are. They have a gold, let's see, can't hardly see the names of them. I'll let you know what the names are a little later because I cannot see them, and what the heck. Let's see what they say. This one is Black Pearl, and oops, it's black. Metallic, and then this one is Platinum Gold. Oh, I can't wait to use these. And then this one is Empire Gold. And oops, sorry, that one is that. So we can actually get rid of that. That's garbage. And this Christmas magic paper, I already have a pad of this, so I don't remember what it came with, or did I just buy it, but I do have a pad of that. I saw it today when I was pulling out some stuff. And then these are the 8.5 by 14, I think. So you have black. There are 2 of each, and I do have some of these black hearts. There's one of that. That's one of the specialty, and I love this shimmer here. And then this one is kind of, it's got a little glitter going on in there, but it's, oh yeah, see, it's white on the back. And then this is a mirror, and then this one, I love that color there. And then just 2 whites of their basic paper. So that is the first. Oh, I need to show you what's in the bag. I like these folders that they come with. Alright, so you saw that, you saw that, you saw that. Let's see what's in the bag. And these bags can be used for crafting, and they're really heavy, and there's a white and gold ribbon. That's your gold flakes. And then I'm wondering, did I buy this kit before? Because I actually have this washi tape hanging here by my desk. And like I said, I had the paper too. So I'm going to have to see if I had actually got this kit before. But this is some pure sheen sequins. So they're gold sequins. And then this is vintage drops. And then this is a mica mist, so you can spray that and I think it'll make it shimmer. So we're going to leave all that. We're going to fold this bag down so that I can hold on to it. Each one of my kits had a bag like that in it. So that is the second kit that I had gotten. You have to excuse my desk because, guys, I need to get all the new stuff organized and put up. And stuff I'm working on. As you can see, I've got some projects in the works here, cards, what have you. And this is my kit number 3. And this one actually has cards in here, and it is called, all right, this one is like a springy one. It's got a water bucket. This one is called, let's see, Summer Garden. It is kit number 56, and it's summery. They've got papers, they got birds, a boot, flowers, and some sentiments. Have a blooming great day, happy B-Day. And then there's a little house. Oh, so they have dies. Okay, you can cut the bird out. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So this is a summary with flowers and what have you, so that's cool. And this is a card kit, and this came with the envelopes and cards. I got some more kits. I need to be using these things, and this one has some adhesive foam. And there is a stencil with butterflies. Okay. And let's save the bag for last. Let's look at the papers. Oh, it's got glitter paper. It's got butterflies. There are butterflies. Oh, I like that. So there's that. And then there's plenty of green. And then this is a shimmer, kind of coral looking. And then this is a mirror, green. And then this mirror is kind of orangey. And then just some regular cardstock. I love the feel of their cardstock, and this stuff is really quality. And it's got a nice texture on it. And then there is green glitter. And rubbing it, the glitter doesn't fall off. And then there's one more regular card. So let's put this back. And we'll see what's in the bag. But I haven't used any of their cards yet, but I need to. Okay, so that goes in there. And we're just going to throw this in the trash. We don't need that. So, but yeah, definitely we can use these bags for some other stuff. Because this is a quality bag. I love it. It's like snowflakes on it, so that could be used with the Tim Holtz trees. I think that would make a cute card for that. And then there are 3 markers: pink, sweet blossom, Indian saffron, and bamboo leaves. So there are 3 of those. And then you have some Nouveau aroma drops. Oh, listen to the thunder. Just all of a sudden started raining, and this looks like it's dry. But this is Glacier Place, give your car extra shine. And then this is a Nouveau Hybrid ink. I think I have that color already. So guys, that is that for my third kit. Yep, the rain is really coming down now. And it should, I hope it cools it off, because it was like triple digits today. And y'all know I can't stand that heat. Oh man, yesterday I got in the car. It was like the car said 105 degrees, and the whole time I was in there, it never went lower than 100. Oh, lots of markers. I think this is exactly why I bought this one. It's not like I need markers, but this has 3, 5. This one has 10 markers in it. Vine leaf. Let's see. I can't see the colors through that. Oops, I could have opened that from the other end. Can you hear the rain, guys? Coming down real good against the window. Let's see, what does that say? Hazelnut truffle, white grape, sandcastle, hay bale, apricot, blush. So there are 10 in this kit. And then there is, these are oranges and like corals, pink grapefruit, tiger lily, brown sugar, coconut shell, and vine leaf. And this paper is mirrored card, and it's called Moonlight Rose, and it's got mirror card collection, chrome, silver, burnished rose, frosted silver, and rose platinum. Let me see what the name of this one is, because I don't remember. And this one also comes with adhesive pads. This one, oh, this one is going to be really cute. Look at this stamp set. Oh, I can't wait to use that. It has a boot with flowers in it, and it says, "Your friendship is everything to me. Your kindness hasn't gone unnoticed. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay strong. You've got this. Thank you for being you." This one is called Boots and Bouquet, and they have clouds, plenty of dies. Let's see, what is that one? Yeah, lots of flowers. It's a flower die. And then, but it's Boots and Bouquets. So this one is more tags, and oh wow, you make your own flowers. Okay. And let's see what is in the bag. Actually, I think we did pretty well with these. I am going to have to get them out, and I like to organize in those fold envelope bags. Okay, so this only has 2 items in the bag. I like this one. This would be good for crafty items. It's got scissors and adhesive, expanding mousse, and that's to add texture. Distress 3D effect using a heat tool, and stone drops. That's like a gray. Well guys, that is my last box. Oh, we didn't look at the paper, did we? Let's see what the papers look like. I didn't do those. Yeah, I'm hoping that rain cools things down. Okay, I like how this has scissors on that. The folders can actually be used for crafting. I like to cut up stuff like that and use it as cards and what have you. Oh, this one is pretty. I like that. I don't have that color in my stash. And then it's got mirror card, and then this is one of the shimmer pages. It's like a gold, and this is like a mint. Okay, a coral. This one is more green and it's regular cardstock, and then this is just regular, like a this is kind of like a chipboard. Okay guys, that is the last of the kits. I'm really happy with these. I started to buy more and I kept thinking, you don't need more, you don't need more. But do we need any of it? So that, I don't have this paper, and I definitely don't have this boot, so you will be seeing that soon. Alright, let's move on to the little things, and then I need to get back to crafting. So that's the fourth of my kits. And I'm definitely going to have to take them out of the boxes because I just can't store them like that. Let me put this in the trash. So now I have some items from these two I already had. I have a few items from Tailored Expression. You know, I'm doing the collaboration with So Good All and Veronica. And I saw these cherries. I don't have anything cherries, so I saw these. It has a cherry die. And it also has this with the stamps, and then it just says, I'd pick you, sweet, a notice to cherry you up. Thanks, cherry, much. Just for you, a heart, hello, you're so sweet. So I don't have anything like that, so I got that. And then I love their sentiment strips, and these are some new ones. I did not have these. And this goes with the smaller set, and it just said, these are the minis. It says, sending hugs, special delivery, you've got mail, sending you cheer, sending good vibes, sending well wishes, long live snail mail, sending hugs and kisses, sending birthday wishes, sending lots and lots of love. I will cut these and put them into one of my boxes because that makes them so easy, much easier to use. This one is just flying by. Get carried away. The sky's the limit. What's up, friend? It's your birthday. To say happy birthday. Happy day. Another year flies by. You make my heart soar, and your friendship is uplifting. So a lot of these are birthdays. You know, can't never have too many. And this makes it so easy when you're doing a card and you don't want to do a whole big sentiment. Having these ready to go is just awesome. So I just pick up my box and cut them. Sometimes they lay on the desk. And this next one is, just because you are magical. Just because you are magical is a second one. Wherever you go, let's celebrate you. Leave a little sparkle, flying by to say hi. You're one of a kind, to a very special girl. Go forth and be fabulous. Have a magical birthday. So that is my Tailored Expression haul. Guys, and I did get a free gift. It's a postage stamp. And this is what the stamp would look like when you stamp it. It's got a little bee on it. So that was a freebie. And I have a lot of stuff in my cart, guys. And I put it all in, and then I had to think about what do I want most. These stamp sets sell for $10 each. And I did get like 10% off or something. So I can't wait to cut those and use them. Guys, that is it for my haul. I can't believe it took me 20 minutes. But know that I'm done now. So if you like this video or you like something that I bought, hey, leave me a comment in the box below. Thank you so much, guys. I will chat with you in the next video. Bye.